Okay. So it looks like we have everything set up now. Awesome. Sounds good. So trading the NASDAQ futures. Here we are on our Express account. We lost about $1,000 yesterday, and we're up currently $798 today. So just taking our time. Gonna wait till market open here in about 10 minutes and see what the opportunities bring. I was able to capitalize on a couple positions, and yeah, we are looking good. So had unemployment claims today, which really made the market bullish. As you can see here, really had a big push up. I mean, ultimately, okay, so let's see. I'm very interested to see what's going to happen. I did expect a break above the 35, 36 level. I did want to see a break of that. Now, we didn't see that, so we are pulling back. If we did see a break above those levels, I was going to take a short here. As you can see, we are now shorting the market. So we're just going to wait till market open right now. So this is our Express funded account. Okay, let's take a look here. Yeah. I really would like to see a break of that 36 level. We might take some longs here if we see a good short side. And short side maybe moving down to 1810. If we can maybe get a push down to 1810, I might take a buy depending on how we respond to that level and what time it is. So we don't want to jump the gun, but if we see a trading opportunity, then we have to take it. Really interested. Yeah, so I've been trading I have a right now traders. I got a Top Step 50K Express. a live account. And then I do have another live account that I just passed today. So we're going to have 2 live accounts funded with TopStep. And also to the side, I don't have this on my stream, but I also have one live Apex account that I'm currently up $1,700. And then I have 2 combines that I am trying to pass, and I'm about $1,000 away from each challenge, so about 1%, because those are 100K challenges. And TopStep, I trade with the 50K challenge because they were offering a nice deal on TopStep. We basically were able to pay $5 to have a live funded account, so we passed that challenge. And we paid the activation fee, so it was $150. So for $155, I have access to a 50K account that I can trade live in the markets, and their payout is at least every 5 days, and you need to be over $3,000 minimum balance, which again, that's what you need to pass the challenge. So just about being consistent. It's the same trades that I would take on a test. So I don't mind that at all. I don't mind that at all. So here we are. We're getting that push to the upside now. I really, like I said, I was expecting a break of the 36 level. So we're getting here close to market open. We have about another 5 minutes until we get started there. Got a lot of good things coming up. Yeah, unemployment claims, I mean, they really did a number today, but usually when we get some type of push up like this, we normally continue in that direction, especially where the NASDAQ has been headed. If I take a look here at my trading view, which is kind of where you can see on the daily, we're super strong. This is a daily chart. This is a strong green candle. So what we're going to try to do, I feel like we might make a move to all-time highs. If I take a look at the 4-hour chart, you can see that we're looking great. Now, what I would expect and what I would like to see from the market is a move down and then another move to the upside here to find liquidity, because we do have a lot of positions sitting at this 900 level. It's just when we will get to them. So I know we'll have to revisit that level. If I take a look at the hourly, we are weakening up here just a smidge, but again, we're coming into market open. So gonna be very interesting to see. I would like to see some type of retracement candle at least. This is a 15-minute chart, so I would like to see some retracement candles, but what we could see is a push up here to the upside to then move back down and then move forward. So we're gonna just keep an eye on this. Might see a little move here and down here, and then we continue up. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this and just wait, because here we are, we're having some of that market open pre-activity. So if we see some type of move towards 210, then we might take a buy before market open. I'll take a very small position. I'll do a 1 lot just to see, but not unless we get to the 1810s. Would I like to see a buy position just to kind of fake out the market before we get into market open? But you don't know. That's what I would like to get. Will I get it? Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. We'll see what it has to tell us. If not, it could break this 36 and just continue above, and then we'll have to find another entry position, which is okay. It does happen sometimes. So yeah, definitely we're not going to see the 1810s right now. But what's going to happen, I don't want to tilt to the long side. When I say tilt, I just mean I don't want to have on the charts technicals, right? It looks like a buy signal. So I don't want to tilt to that side, meaning I don't want to like get into that side just yet because I didn't see a good entry position. I would have liked a better entry. It's just being picky. I'm okay. It's okay for me to be picky with my trades. I like to see it moving into more of a support zone. And yeah, this is kind of what I was expecting earlier. Just a push above these 36s is what I was going to like to see. But we have about a minute and 30 seconds until market open. So again, we're just going to be patient and let price action kind of divvy its way out. Figure out what it wants to do. Okay, we got about a minute left. Again, we're heading back up to those 36s, so going to be interesting to watch here. Man, this is going to be interesting. I feel like I should take a short trade, but I don't know if it's going to teeter up just yet. Market open. Yep, and then we're going to push up, aren't we? Okay, this is what I wanted to see. I'm going to take a sell position here. I want to see the sales come in. I want to see the sales come in, which I know they will. We have to have another wick down to the downside. We've been tilting up all day, and I think that's where people want to go. And I feel like we just need a reversal candle now. Gonna have to keep my stops very tight here. So the shorts have not come in yet, but shorts have not come in here yet, but we should be seeing the shorts here shortly. No pun intended. But again, we went into that liquidity area, which is where I wanted to see, and then I want to see some type of reversal right here, which is what I'm waiting on. I might have taken an entry a little bit too early, but that's okay. Sometimes it does happen. And we're just going to be patient. Be patient. Because again, we got to fake out those longs, right? Everybody wants to go long. I don't want to tilt to the long side. Yeah, I don't want to tilt to the long side. Just got to be patient here. It just... This is kind of what I expected. And then I do want to see a push below here. We just had so much longs all day, right? Like, you know, is so many longs all day. Gonna be interesting. Are we gonna keep paying the longs or what have you? We'll see. We'll see. Just got to be comfortable in your analysis and know your trading plan and understand that there will be some losses. You will have some wins. All part of the game. All part of the game, man. So we are pushing to the upside here a little bit. Maybe we break these highs and then come down just a smidge. Very interesting, honestly. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. This is new to me, honestly. This is crazy. I mean, this is it. Just being patient, man. Just how it goes. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just being patient, sitting on my hands right now. I believe we need to do. I feel like we need to retest at least the low of market open. So I feel like we do need to at least retest here. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for. Could have gotten a way better entry, honestly. So little upset about that, but hey, can't be perfect all the time, right? Here we go. So now we're breaking a little bit to the downside. I don't know. I'm still feeling shorts. I feel like we still need to retest. I think it's just trying to get the buys in here, or trying to get the buys out is all. Because if I was looking at this, I'd be buying the heck out of it, which is why I think the banks want to sell it. Honestly, I'd be buying the heck out of this thing normally. Easily, I'd be buying the heck out of this thing. Interesting. So we're just gonna wait, see. Come on, shorts, you got this. It's the buys that don't want to give it up. It's the longs, man. They don't want to give it up. Yeah, normally I'd be buying the heck out of this thing, honestly. Normally the old me would get emotional and really be buying the heck out of this and flip-flopping and deciding where is it going to go, but I have a bias that it's going to go short, and I'm just going to stick with my bias even through all this price action here, because I feel like when we do break to the downside, it will be a huge move because everybody's been tilting to the upside this whole time. So we need to see some type of retracement, something to, again, then push us back up through this through our all-time highs. So I feel like we do need a push down. Yeah, like I said, we gotta push this bad boy down. So really could have gotten a way better position. I couldn't have gotten a worse position on this account, honestly. Couldn't have gotten a worse position. It's kind of funny, but The buys don't want to let this go, but bro, like, shoot, man. Like, come on, bro. Yeah, we're rocking with this now. Man, should we exit this position? I don't know. I'm feeling confident though. I'm feeling still confident. I'm feeling confident in this short, man. Like, I'm feeling confident. Dang. We were almost there. We were almost there. I felt like we had to test the lows though from the entry. I mean, this is the third time we've rejected this level. Like, it has to be like that's the third rejection at that level. Yeah, it's that third rejection at that level. I mean, like, we have to see a pullback. You can tell they don't want to go short, man. This is crazy, but it's the rejection. It's the technicals, bro. It's saying that we got to reject. Like, yeah, it's just that zone right there. It's definitely the technicals, though. That's what I'm seeing. Dang, this is crazy, bro. I don't understand. Like, this. Well, I mean, because. Like, how can we keep paying the longs, though? Those don't make sense to me. Should have seen that coming. So. I mean, maybe we're just getting a bounce off that level, and then maybe we'll break through it here. I mean, turn up.
What up, bro?
What up?
My wife's trying to divorce me.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Is this me? This shit got a switch. Dude, that thing, that song got me, like, turning up, bro.
Yep.